Sincerely, I would love.
Special. Well said, Ida. I agree. And if I agree, then everybody agrees. I think an apologist in order for me too. Wait a minute. Where's he gone?
I thought he was with you.
He was, just a moment ago.
Well, if he had any sense, he'd have been find a bag to put over his head.
Great, that's enough.
Calm down, love. He's probably just down at the lake. You know how he loves swimming.
Oh, without telling me, he wouldn't. Where's he gone?
Oh, for goodness sake. All right, Turkey, you go that way and check along the milking shed. Maureen, Henrietta, check around their hen house. Ida, you and me will take the ducklings down to the lake.
And I'll coordinate operations to the rainstorm. Ugly!
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 That's good. I'll buy that. Defensive yet emotional. Just a hint of anger. And filling up here.
Well, what about me? Does no one care what I think?
Sorry, sir. I'm coming to the end of transmission. I'm going to leave the final word with Ida, just in case your son is out there watching. But for now, this is Maggie Pie, America's most feathered. Saying that if you see anything suspicious, from feeding magpies to lost ducklings, the chicks on the switchboard are waiting to take them. All right, Ida, it's all yours.
I can understand, dear. Hold her nose.
Well, better take a selfie.
Every moment seems not. Every hour lasts a day. Every tear a mother.
Now, where have they got to? Chevy Farm. I do wish they'd keep up. No dismal. That's the trouble with the gossip.
Those you remember from the photograph released at the time as what can best be described as a rather unforgettable appearance. Now, our experts believe he may have already undergone some changes, and they've put together a composite of what they believe he may look like today. This image, some viewers may find this image disturbing.
Ida, if you see this, love, come home. The kids need you. They're coping so well without you.
In a sinister new development, it appears that Ida has now also gone missing. So again, viewers, we are appealing to you. If you have any new information, the number is coming up on your screen.
As a drink, my mistake was letting her go searching for my son. Yeah, that one. It ain't right. I've spent weeks filling beaks, hearing daddy, daddy, daddy. I'm depressed round the nest, day and night. And what sort of time do you call this?
We sort of lost track of time. The owl didn't give a hoot.
Well, your father was.
Mom would have let us stay out.
Mom's not here, you're grounded.
When's Mom coming back?
I don't know, honey.
But is she coming back?
I don't know, honey.
Did she find Ugly?
I don't know, honey. I don't know. All right, it's time to roost. Go brush your beaks. Don't use up all the water. My bill's picking up. When Ida said she'd go, I had to let her. Ashamed because this apron suits her better. Where's the joy in motherhood? An endless round of chores that have to be done. And when you think you see the back of them, you find in actual fact you're back at square one. There's no joy in motherhood. And if there is, it's something I just can't see. Yet Ida somehow copes with all of this. And then on top of that, she puts up with me. Now what?
Look at him. Have you ever seen a finer bird? Bark at him, 'cause honking is the best we've heard. We are feeling rather small in this whole shebang. Maybe you'll forgive us all, and we hope when the dove stops so leave again.
Of course I forgive you. I'm just happy to see you all again. And I'd like to introduce you to somebody. This is Penny.
Hello.
Hello, Penny.
I'm getting rather long, Bill, and I feel it's time for me to relinquish the red band. Wear it with pride, my dear, for you are the finest bird in the lake, as I know is my day. And let it be known that from this day forth, the red band should be known as the signet ring.
Look at him, look at us, see the difference. Why did we ever think him undone?
I always knew that my family was blessed with royal blood.
Oh, yes, 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 yes!
What?
I made it through Thanksgiving!